Hello, this is Henk Sijbranda from Berthon Spain. Today we are in Port Ginesta and I will show you around on this very beautiful Jeanneau 60 Millennium Falcon. Today we are in sunny Port Ginesta, where we took this beautiful Jeanneau 60 Millennium Falcon out for the photo and video shoot. She's 2023, first owner who ticked all the options when he ordered her, and she is immaculate. On the stern there is a hydraulic bathing platform. Let's go on board over the hydraulic passerelle. Cockpit floor is laid with teak as well as the side decks. They give good access to the bow. The captain put cushions for the bathing on deck. The hatches are all flush. She has a bowsprit with anchor and electric windlass. She has two furling head sails and one of them is electric controlled. The mast is by Sparcraft and is blank anodized with two sets of spreaders with LED downlights. It's an in-mast furling system for the mainsail, and the spinnaker pool is on the mast and her inner forestay is self-tacking. Furthermore, she has a code 0 as well. All sails are in very good condition. All the canvas is very complete. She has a fixed arch with spray hood and a solid GRP bimini with an electric controlled sunroof. Very spacious cockpit and also a great lounge area with all comfy cushions. Both steering pedestals are equipped with all the necessary navigation equipment and controls. The steering wheels are in black carbon, very chic. Behind the wheels there is a grille in the back seat installed. On the floor we have the hatches to the tender garage and the life raft. The cockpit tables can be raised and lowered electrical, so you can create a comfortable lounge area. And as I said before, the sunroof can be controlled electronic. Let's take a look inside. Below deck she is spacious and very bright. She has a lot of windows. Both forward cabins are simultaneously and have comfortable berths and their own ensuite bathrooms with toilet and shower. The cabins are closed off by a curtain wall, so If you open this, it creates one large cabin. Ideal for a bunch of kids or guests that come over. Back to the galley. The galley has it all. A double sink, a 3-burner cooker with oven, an exhaust fan, the fridge, the freezer, microwave, dishwasher. Hatches can be opened for ventilation. And there's a wine storage under the floorboards. You would almost appoint a chef as crew. In the saloon we find on the starboard side the sofa. Behind the sofa there's a 43-inch automatic lifting Samsung TV. And on the port side there is a very large U-shaped seating area. Here as well an electronic controlled table. Here our Natalie is showing a part of the electrical panel and the washing machine. Starboard side we have a chart table. And now we are coming down to the owner's cabin. She has a double berth on the starboard side. And a comfortable ensuite bathroom, electric toilet and a spacious shower. Millennium Falcon has dimmable LED lighting throughout the yacht, fans in all cabins and full air conditioning in all cabins and the saloon. She is as new and lying in Port Ginesta. May we invite you to visit her.